Hi, this is Sophia von Ebelschütz from Royal LePage, your community in Richmond Hill. Our website is yourpropertyduo.ca. Today we would love to talk to you about a project in Pickering built by Chestnut Hill Developments, one of the greatest builders with a fantastic reputation, with zero cancellations of any of the projects. They really go ahead with all the projects, which is very important to my partner Ava and I, because we are tying up our money, our deposit money for a long time, and so we want to be sure that they really go ahead with their projects as they claim. And Chestnut Hill Development really do it, and we can trust in that one. This is a beautiful tower of 37 stories with 482 units. The sizes vary anywhere from 496 square foot, which is a one bedroom, it's not a studio, going all the way up to 1,026 square foot, which is a three bedroom. So the variety is anywhere from a one bedroom to three bedroom. Tentative projected occupancy is the end of 2027, which means you have a long time to really save up some money before you have to start paying for the mortgage. And when there's occupancy, there's not right away actually starting the mortgage. It will be mostly 6 to 8 months after that anyway, so you have ample time, and by that time the interest rates for sure are much lower again, and we are back to normal in regards to the mortgage rates. This building, just to give you some features of this building, has 2 levels of amenities, one on the main floor where you have the fitness area, where you have the kids playroom area, you have game room, you have a media room, there's even a karaoke room where you can have some fantastic evenings. And then of course on the 5th level you have the outdoor swimming pool, you have barbecue area and all those things. This building has just absolutely breathtaking amenities, too many for me to mention them all. Give us a call. We will give you the whole list. If you're interested, send us an email to yourpropertyduo@gmail.com and we send you all the information. The other thing is calculate the maintenance fees to be roughly 67 cents per square foot for those ones. They're offering just really amazing incentives right now for all our buyers. For the discounts, they're offering anywhere from 10 to 20,000 depending on the unit, of course. Plus you get the 0 fee assignment. Plus you have the right to also rent it during the interim occupancy time. Plus also the development charges are capped between 4,000 to 6,000, what also varies depending on the unit. And the most amazing thing is really the deposit structure. It's a total of 20%, but it is truly stretched from, let's say today, you purchase today, all the way to January 2027. So a 5-year time to really save up some money to extra deposit, which will make it really feasible for a lot of people because of this extended deposit. Give us a call so that we can give you more information, or email us, whichever is better for you. My cell phone number is 905-392-7377. My partner Ava's cell phone number is 905-392-9929, and our email address is yourpropertyduo@gmail.com. We look so forward to hearing from you. We hope you enjoy this project like we do. We believe in real estate investments, one of the best things anyone can do. We have properties ourselves, and really it is, in our opinion, the best, absolutely best investment anyone can do, especially because they appreciate when you buy them at the beginning, and then years down the road, the properties are always going up. They fluctuate a little bit, but they always go up. Try to find nowadays anything in the 99,000. It does not exist anymore in the GTA area. So looking forward talking with you and looking forward to hearing from you. Until then, all the very best. Good luck and have a super nice day. Take care.